I guess my goal is to continue to grow personally and to help grow the company. I'm actually in a 12-month frontline supervisory course put on through the Mass MEP, and a few managers here, we actually got put into that program just to kind of better our skills and keep moving forward that way. So that would be one of my goals, is to complete that program. I've also been talking quite a bit about partnering with our local vocational school and try to help out, maybe after hours, have a little bit more involvement with them and work with them on their robotics program. I did that when I was in high school, so I think that would be very beneficial. Another thing that I've been thinking about doing, just have to go about it the correct way, is partner with my human resources and develop an on-site apprenticeship program and basically set a pathway for all of the lower skilled employees to get from basically that level 1 to level 5 and actually give them a path on how they're going to get there. Well, the 3 leadership principles that I execute that have contributed to my success: to be technically and tactically proficient. I stay up to date with as much as I can technical wise. I try to research new tooling to help out the guys on the floor to better the production, to better the throughput. I've been really for setting an example and leading by that example. A lot of people, they will, kind of monkey see, monkey do. They see you doing something, they're going to think it's okay, they'll follow it. So I try to really push that in myself. Probably the other big one would be self-awareness. Just the ability to, be honest with yourself. Whether you're right, your strengths, your weaknesses, especially your weaknesses. That I feel that really helps develop, relationships with the employees and to build trust. I think it's an essential part to leading an organization. I think my greatest accomplishment would be getting where I am today. When I first started here at Swissturn, I was a co-op student. I started here, I was a junior in high school, and I got it so I had good enough grades where I could go out and work every other week. When I first started here, I started in the finishing area, and I basically worked in every aspect of the company, and I managed to work my way up to manufacturing manager. So I guess I've done something right, over the years.